Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me the screenshot. They want these corners rounded, and they even tell me this is a curved object, this is a rectangle object. So I asked him to send me a file. I have at least one video on this. So what we need to do is we need to take it, and this is all one group of stuff. So we need to ungroup it first. Go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And this is a rectangle. So that's easy. I don't know anything about millimeters. This is locked, so I'm going to change my corner radius to 0.2, and it rounded off those corners. But, and if you don't know how he got that rectangle look like that, just in case, draw a rectangle, double click on the X, and instead of rotating it, you've got handles in the center that you can skew it. And that's most likely how he created that. Now, this is a little bit different because this is not a rectangle. So if we take it and grab it with the shape tool, you can see the nodes. So we're going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And we're going to do the 0.2 when we select it all. And we can round off all the corners. And pretty cool effect. Now, if you don't want all the corners rounded off, you could take the shape tool and select just these three. You can see they're darkened now, and just do those and leave these square. Of course, he might want them all. Now, I know he's using 2024 because that's what the file he sent. So under the polygon tool, you have common shapes. In older versions, it was called basic shapes. And here you have in the common shapes, you have these banners. So you could draw something just like that in whatever you want. Now to change the nodes on this, and also it's whenever you see this red dot, you can make it, move it and make it different. But we need to take it and select it and go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. Well, maybe not. Let me select it all. Go to Object, Group. No, it's not I just need to convert it to a curve. Then we could round off any of the ones we want. So we can take the Shape tool. See, this is not highlighted. Take the Shape tool and select those three. They're highlighted now, and hit Apply. And then if you wanted to do the top two, just grab the top two, hit Apply, and then move over to the other side. And you can change, it doesn't have to be 2 millimeters. You know, you could make it 5 or 0.5, and look what you get. I don't like that as much. I like the 2 better. So just 0.2. And, you know, you could leave, that way you could leave everything else square. But since he'd already drew this, that'll work for him right there. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.